Just a little update on the layout so far. I now have the shunt signal rewired the way I wanted to do it, i.e. red, white, white. So now it's on red, white. If I take it to turn the red off, put the white on, now indicates the way we shunt it. Quite happy with it, so there we are. On this section here, I built in one sensor onto the track. There is an experiment to start off with, so I now need to install an extra sensor in this section of the track. So it comes in, the train comes in, it's got more pinpointed placed for the train to stop. With the magnets for the Kadee couplings, they're a bit too high and they tend to be a bit too strong for the reaction of throwing the coupling off. So I'm going to take them all out and embed them into the track a little bit more, take them away from the train to reduce the strength of them a little touch. I've got a magnet here, a magnet here, a magnet here, a magnet over here. These I put in various places to see where I'd like to do my decoupling. So I've now decided there I like to do the decoupling next to the door. So the train comes in with the bogie, uncouples here, with the edge of the Kadee coupling. The train can push it into the shed and then come back out. So each of the entrances will have one of the magnets for decoupling just as you enter the shed. It will be covered as well with the concrete floor coming out to this point here. So it's time for a bit of surgery. These were too high up, so I need to embed them down a touch. The train came in to the coupling, it basically shut off, so I'm trying to make them a bit weaker. I haven't got any more magnets, so I'm going to try and embed these into the track a little bit more. So I put north there, so the magnets are posed. So I'll put the track back in and give it a try. Much better. I'll show you this one here on this track. The problem's being that effect, kind of bouncing, sticking up. So now put them in there, better. Happy with that. But the madness continues, a bit of disarray. This one complete, this one complete. This one's just been glued back in, and the last one to be done is this one. On the workbench I've got these signals I'm making up for Alex Middleton from the MER group. Alex wanted some signals made up with a route on it. He only wanted a one LED and his remit was no SMDs. So a wee conversion of my normal signal added in the route direction. He did want left and right, so the process of making these up. I've painted all the LEDs a black colour, leaving the front part so we can see the signal. So in the process of just gluing them in there, once I've got them all glued in, I'll start to wire them up. When I do wire them up, I make all one side the same polarity. Makes it a little touch easier for doing it, getting the wires in. It's going to be quite tight, this one, because the size of the hole for the wires has got to get 4 wires going down it, so I use quite a thin wire. So I'll continue gluing the rest of these in, and once I've got them glued in, I'll start to wire them up. So I'll fed the wire through the little pipe, just to make it a bit more permanent. We'll put the super glue top end of the head. Make sure it's square. So last thing I need to do is a bit of heat shrink up here, just to hold the wires in place. And there we have it, one done, 4 to go. So I'll knock them out and then I'll give Alex a wee call to get them shipped out to him. So now the amalgam's got a bit fast.